Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Photoscape X and going straight to the editor. Import your raw image now. Once done, pick a working file and set the canvas or choose a 1:1 crop for composition. You must check the resolution and toggle ICC/profile if color looks off. Make sure to duplicate the layer or use save as before editing so you preserve the original. This prepares you to apply non-destructive edits and gives you a reversible workflow from the first step. You now tackle tone and color. Apply auto level, then manually adjust exposure and contrast to preserve highlights and shadow detail. Once balanced, correct white balance with temp and tint sliders. Use HSL to boost a single hue without affecting skin tones. For censor dust or spots, switch to the heel brush and sample nearby texture, or the clone tool for larger areas. Choose a 0.5 to 2 px brush depending on detail. Keep checking zoomed views so corrections look natural. You finish by sharpening and exporting. Use unsharp mask with moderate settings, amount around 50-120 and radius near 0.81.5 to add perceived detail without halos. Once satisfied, you save as and choose JPEG at 85% for web or PNG for transparency. Resize if necessary and embed color profile if delivering print-ready files. If you see noise or compression artifacts, reduce sharpening or undo to a saved layer, adjust, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.